Lesson 7.4, angle sum and difference formulas, but this time it's just with tangent. And so you'll either have where it's going to be adding two angles together, so you'll see that it says find tangent of A plus B, or subtraction of two angles, tangent of A minus B. So we're only going to do one problem because, again, this is just a formula, figuring out what fractions need to get plugged in, and then just doing it all on your calculator. So it gives me a tangent of angle A ratio and a cosine of angle B ratio. And angles A and B are in quadrant 1. Find the value of tangent of A minus B. And so I'm going to be using this one. So I'm going to write it again just to have this in front of me. Oh, tab, tangent of B. Okay, and so the nice thing is all I need is tangent ratios, and they give me tangent of A right here. So I'm going to replace this with 12 over 35 and this with 12 over 35. And then it'll be minus, I don't know this ratio yet, over 1 plus 12 over 35 times whatever tangent of B is. Okay, so they tell me cosine of my angle B is a 45 to 53. Which this is the adjacent leg, and this is the hypotenuse. And so I'm going to need tangent of that same angle, which goes opposite over adjacent. And so I know the adjacent is 45, so that'll be on the bottom. On your little cheat sheet here, to eliminate having to do Pythagorean theorem, we're looking for a 45 and a 53, should be right here. So the other leg must be 28. Okay, and so tangent of B is what I'm going to use this, 28 over 45. And so the good thing is I just know that it's tangent of A minus tangent of B, and then I'm using these same fractions again. And then I would do it on your calculator to where I do the numerator first. So I'll do parentheses 12 divided by 35 minus 28 over 45. Turn that into fraction. Gets negative 88 over 315. Now I'm going to do the denominator, and I just put this all in at once too. 1 plus 12/35 times 28 45. Turn that into a fraction, and you get 91 over 75. And then we're going to multiply by the reciprocal. 75 over 91, and then I would just put that on my calculator. So negative 88 over 315 times, you could do times or just another parentheses, 75 over 91. And you get negative 440 over 1,911. And that is what tangent of angle A minus B would make, that ratio.